Wow. What's going on, Daisy family? Jeremy here with you. And my goodness, we are truly doing something that has never been done in the history of this industry. Getting paid to attend an event. This is so disruptive. And guys, it just got better. So let me fill you in on what's happening right now with the Told You So event. February 20th and 21st in Dubai at the Madinah Arena. You do not want to miss this event. It's the best resort in all of Dubai. It's going to be the best event the industry's ever seen. Don't miss this event. Now, here's what's happening with the bonus pools. We have just placed 1 million USDT into live trading in Forex for 2 bonus pools. 500,000 into bonus pool 1, 500,000 into bonus pool 2. This is a contribution, an investment from Daisy, from the founders, because we absolutely know that this event is the launch pad. There's no more important, bigger investment that you can make than to be at the event in Dubai. And so here's what we're doing. 500,000 USDT has been placed into live trading for those individuals who attend the event, and another 500,000 USDT has been placed into trading as a bonus pool for those who bring 3 personal referrals with them. And listen to this, you can earn an unlimited number of shares in bonus pool number 2. So literally, just by attending the event, you get a share in this bonus pool. 6 months from now, prior to the next global event, those profits will pay out to all of the shareholders just by attending the event. The second bonus pool is going to be an elite bonus pool. For every 3 personal referrals that you bring to the event, you're going to get a share in bonus pool number 2. Guys, this has never been done before. Additionally, 100% of all of the ticket sales after the event happens in February, Eventbrite will release those funds, and 100% of all of the ticket sales will be added into the bonus pools after the Dubai event. Guys, what does this mean? This literally means that your event can be free. Literally means that your flights, your hotel, your registration for the next event, all of this can be compensated for from this bonus pool. And so we believe so much in what is happening right now in Daisy. We believe so much in the performance, so much in the vision, so much in the Told You So event. We know the announcements just on day 1 that we're making at this event are going to absolutely take everybody to the next level. You don't want to miss it. You want to be there live and in person. It's going to be that powerful. So guys, we're excited. Thank you for all of your belief. And remember, the momentum packs have been, unlimited momentum packs has been launched for the month of December. And so now people can buy an unlimited number of momentum packs in the month of December. So guys, let's rock and roll. Let's keep rocking and rolling. And we're looking forward to seeing everybody in February.